Hello my lovelies, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, my name is Stephanie, and today we are going to try a new product. This is the Mr. Coffee Iced. This is an iced coffee machine. I've seen it on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Facebook. I've seen it everywhere. My sister-in-law bought one of these, so I ran out and I had to get one because I wanted to see how it was. So, I already cut the top open. We don't have all day. So you get the book. I read this last night. And then this card, you get recipes. All kinds of recipes for coffee. We're going to wing it today. Didn't take it out of the container yet, or the box. So, let's take it out. I love iced coffee. I'm not a real big fan of hot coffee. But, I do love my iced coffee. So I figure this will save me a ton of money, so I won't be going to get me no caramel macchiatos anymore. I usually get either the caramel macchiato or a French vanilla with hazelnut. But look how cute that is. So it opens up. Throw everything around. It's got this. Goes right there. Put your coffee in here. So I went and bought coffee today. My husband has a Keurig, so I can't use that coffee. They're in, I don't know if you can use that or not because they're in the pods. But just bought some. So there it is. And you get a cup. How awesome is that? Tell me what coffee machine you buy that gets a cup that comes with it. None, I'll tell you that. So, oh, and it screws off. I like that. Oh, here's the cup for your coffee to put in your machine. I usually buy Starbucks cold brew at the grocery store. It comes liquid, you know. It's not like a powder or anything. Grounds, whatever. I'm not like a coffee connoisseur. I don't know everything about coffee. I barely know anything about coffee. What was I saying? I don't remember what I was saying. But this screws off. And it's supposed to just fit right. Let me take the lid off. It's supposed to fit just right there. And I'm super excited. And I got my new pig cup I'm going to be using with it. But for this video, I am going to use this cup so you can see everything in it. On the cup it says Mr. Coffee Ice. You probably can't even read that. And then right here it says water. And then up here it says ice. And it is double walled. And I like how that screws on. I know what I was saying. I get the iced coffee. Not the iced coffee. The cold brew Starbucks medium roast. It's in the over by like the milk and stuff. And then I usually make my own coffee that way. But this is going to be way cheaper. I don't know if it comes out cold. I don't know. I'm going to refresh my memory here on the instructions. And then I'm going to bring you to my kitchen. We are going to make this and see how well it works. Because it's going to be a little bit messy. I can see that already. So, I'll be right back. Okay, so we have everything set up. This is the coffee I bought today. Dunkin' Original Blend Medium Roast. I've never bought Dunkin' coffee before. It's a lot of coffee. It smells delicious. So, we got that. Then I bought this white chocolate flavored syrup sauce, they call it. Then we have the premium caramel. These ones I've had for a while. This is the classic caramel, classic hazelnut, and vanilla. They're all sugar free. Heavy whipping cream. I bought this today. I ran out. And this, I already washed my cup. You gotta get the whipped cream out. So we got some whipped cream. And I'll show you what I do when I make regular coffee after I get this going. So it says to fill this cup up to the line where it says water. Then you're supposed to fill this up. Not this part, but this part, which is weird. So, grab my scooper. It says 1 serving, which I'm sure you can't read that. Seems like a lot of coffee. Is that a lot of coffee for 1 serving? Oh, first we gotta do this. And they say to unplug it when you pour the water in. There's a water line, and then there's a max fill inside of there. Then you put this back on. And I have it on the off. Then you put him in there. And then put him in there. I did wash this. Not this, but all that. Because that'd be kind of gross. So then I guess we shut it. Oh, gotta get my cup. You turn it there for you guys to see. Let's plug her in. Start. Is it doing anything? Does the light come on? I don't know. Oh, just gotta push a little harder. Okay. Gotta put ice in it. This is my ice cube tray. It's a little frozen. I didn't make a lot of ice today. Sorry if this is loud. So I will not be going to the fill line. Does it come out hot? Yes, it does. My ice is going to be melted. Ooh, that was strong. So while we wait for that, guess I'll just grab this. Put some cream in it. I love cream. What am I doing? Where'd my lid go? Whoosh. So I'm going to add some more ice. I also have these stick ice cubes. I usually make these for my dogs. They can chew on them outside. So I'll have to refill that. Looks like this. Ta-da! Okay, I gotta wash that and refill it. Then, pop it back on. I'm gonna whip this up like this. I'll wait for that to get done so you can see step by step. So I'm gonna wait for that and then I'll be right back. This is all the ice I had. It's almost melted and gone. But I take this cream. This is gonna be loud, so just letting you know. Deeper dish because I have it like everywhere. So a couple more minutes. Okay, that was loud. How lovely. So it's really thick, almost like whipped cream. And you just pour it in. Yep, we'll use it a lot. Gotta clean this mess. I can't handle the mess. I have to wash that now. Then we're going to add our caramel. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Vanilla. I'm going to add this white chocolate. I don't know if it's open or not. Come on. And we're going to stir it. Where's the straw? Quite frankly, my dog keeps hitting the tripod. I don't see where this is any different than a Keurig. It comes out hot. So we're going to mix that up. It's kind of full. We're going to add our whipped cream. And drizzle some caramel on top. You can't have this, baby. I guess we could have put caramel like in the cup. But this is normally how I do it. When I just buy the cold brew at the store. course, I'm making a big old mess. It is very good. It's just not super cold. But I'm okay with that. Definitely have to buy an ice maker. So, when I think about it, I think if you have a Keurig, it will do the same thing. It's just making coffee. Hot coffee, cold coffee, 1 cup of coffee. It's not making it cold. So I don't understand that at all. Yeah. Yeah, I don't understand that. It's an iced coffee machine. You'd think it'd be ice coming out, right? Not ice coming out, but ice cold coffee. I don't know. Makes hot coffee. I'll keep using it. I bought it. So, I wouldn't run out and get one. Unless you don't have a coffee maker. Then it's nice because it's making 1 cup of coffee. Other than that, I'm going to clean this mess up and have my husband try this. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.